Welcome! In PowerPoint, you can easily adjust the color temperature of your pictures and images. Color tone is an image's overall warmth, coolness, or dominant color cast, influencing its mood and emotional impact. Select the picture to modify. Go to the Picture Format tab. In the Adjust group, expand Color. In the Color Tone section, select one of the presets to apply effects. Right-click the picture and select Format Picture. Click the picture icon. Expand the picture color. In the Color Tone section, move the slider to the left or right to apply the desired effect. You can also type a custom value to adjust the effect. Go to the Picture Format tab. In the Adjust group, click Reset Picture.